Hey, good morning everyone.
Good
Uh,
morning, sir.
Today we will conduct a toolbox meeting because later we will having a crankshaft deflection. So we must consider our safety. So safety first. So we must wear our proper PPE. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So wear your safety shoes, cover all, then safety goggles, then gloves, then your safety helmet. Then I will assign then earmuffs because it will be noisy outside. So inform the bridge. So before we going to conduct the selection, we will inform the bridge so they will be aware that we will be working or we will be conducting a quantum detection. Then uh, turn off breaker of pumps and motors. So we must isolate the electrical sides or part that is connected to our main engine. Then prepare the lockout and tag out. So we will put tag outs on the area and the equipment that we were working on. So then, assuming that you all read the manual, right?
Sir.
So we will not discuss it anymore. So then prepare tools, then the spare parts. So I will assign or delegate the task. So you, Mr. Loyola, you will inform the bridge that we will conduct crankshaft deflection. Then you will prepare the tag outs and lockouts. Then isolate and turn off the breakers.
About informing the picture, what exact time we finish the presentation?
What time we will going to start?
Start and the exact time that we finish.
Um, Expect that we will finish that I think half a day per 8 hours. So it is a very huge job. So just inform them so they will uh, they will have a signal that our ship is a dead ship. So to avoid collisions from other ships. Then Mr. You will prepare the tools that and the spare parts that we're going to need in conducting a of deflection. Then Mr. Pingian, you are assigned to do the of deflection. Then you will be assisted by Mr. Sam. Then before we proceed to before we proceed to trunks of deflection, so we must first prepare or identify the risk that we're going to consider. So, do you have any idea what are the risks?
Ideas are is when opening the crankcase door, there is a possible risk there by hit by the objects or explosion.
Hmm. So, what are your
By wearing the PPE, sir, to prevent risk.
okay? So, that's one of the risks. So, because you're working on one engine, so there's possibility that there will be going up explosion. So that's why to reduce that risk, we must wear proper PPE. Understood? So, any idea?
Like the oil speed. So prevent that. Make sure that you will check the source where it came from, and also we will prepare for the rugs or any materials that can wipe it out.
Yeah, that's right. So we must be double. We must be careful. So because we were going inside, so that's very slippery because of the oil. Then there is a possibility that there will be going an oil spill. So prepare your gloves. Then avoid unnecessary movement. So you will not be fall down to the inside the main engine. So any other?
About sir, about checking the point, disengaging the running gear. So it's possible that the personnel will take shock and cause electric shock on the personnel.
That's why
We must also
you're assigned to isolate the one.
putting a tag out and lock out
Mm.
for safety.
Right. So we will gather that all risk that then we will identify what are the precautions we will be needed. Then after that, um, we will consider or um, we will have the work permit. Then we must go to logbook and fill up maintenance forms for the PMS. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, you have any idea additional to our one?
Maybe sir, for implementation of our work, we must take a picture.
Okay. Again, we must take a picture before and after the one. Yeah? One more question?
Yes, sir.
Dismiss.